Well, thank you, Kiran. I forgot to check my microphone. Can you hear me now? I have been talking on mute. Winning! I am very sleepy. Hi from Turkey. Happy Ramadan to the whole world. Yay. Hello, Luis. Hi, Kendole. Yes. I was taking a minute to read that message. I'm pretty asleep. I'm not a morning person. I have said this several times. I am not a morning person. Like it is 10:30. It is late for a lot of people, but it is still early for me. Anyway, cheers. Love is love. Mhm. Oh, that is not hot. That is cold. That is the opposite of hot. All right. So, yay. Ramadan Kareem to you too, brother. I hope I read that right. Hey, hey. Hey, Felix. Nice to see you here. All right. So, we are going to do some CI/CD stuff. Let me share my screen. Hi, Santosh. Entire screen share. Thank you, Kudrat. Hi, Pavan. Hi. All right, so let's get started then. Oh, this is my Battlesnake stuff. Damn it, I didn't close that. Okay, so open GitHub Actions. This is a repo that I've been working on for all of the CI/CD stuff. Hi, Arun. No, leave me alone. I also love my theme, like what is the theme that I got? Winter is coming. The winter is coming theme for Visual Studio Code. I really like it. Wait, I don't have my, where is it? My key, no, that's not it. Key, oh, that's also not it. No, I'm so slow. Key, there you go. Keycaster. Oh, it's open. What am I doing? Ah, there you are. Okay, so now you can see, yes, now you can see my keystrokes. Hello, Niket. Hello, Shubi. All right, so I don't know if you've been, oh, by the way, I uploaded a new version of Maxine the Mule yesterday in Battlesnake, and it's doing worse. It's doing even worse than the previous version. I mean, rank 81 now. That is so bad, but anyways, that's the latest. Yeah, that's the latest. Anyway, can you set screen brightness, Alex? It's not seen. Brightness? No, I cannot change the brightness. It's not clear. Maybe you need to refresh. I'm not sure how to fix that. Sorry. Or do you mean like zoom in or something like that? Because I can zoom in, but I cannot fix the brightness. Anyway, GitHub, Alex Martinez, and then here in GitHub Actions, I can zoom in. Maybe that's what you mean. I already had set up the test, right? Yeah, so I have test, build, and deploy. Oh my god, scroll down there. And if you want to check out the tutorials, you can just go to prosdev.com, and then here is part 1, how to set up a CI/CD pipeline. But part 3, it's okay. All right, cool. But part 3 is the one that has the CI/CD pipeline using MUnit testing. So if you want to do MUnits, go ahead and check that one out. Oh, I don't have it on LinkedIn. Hold on, let me open my LinkedIn. I just have Twitch. LinkedIn, and notifications. MuleSoft community is live, and there I am. All right, there you go. There's a link if you want to see how to add MUnit testing to your GitHub Actions pipeline. And you do need to have Nexus credentials. So if you don't have them, make sure to have them before doing this, because otherwise it's not going to work, unfortunately. Anyway, so we did that. We have test, build, and deploy, but it's not checking the coverage. And if I go to the test one, for example, the last that I did, test with Maven, and I scroll down to the end, I thought I could see the coverage here. Yeah, here, somewhere. No? Yes, here. Application coverage, 33.33%. So that is intentional. I did not want to test the whole thing. And also this is like a dummy application. So let's try to fix that, because I don't know how to fix it, honestly. Oh, I left my ngrok open. And I'm on GitHub Actions. And then here I need to, I'm still on Battlesnake. Oh my God, that is so embarrassing. Okay, workspace, I'm changing workspaces. In the meantime, let me know where you're joining from, if it's early for you or not. If you're a morning person, am I the only one that's still asleep at 10:30 a.m. in the morning? Like, I don't know. I don't, yeah, I know some people that are still asleep at 10:30. But are you though? Are you asleep? Can you send the recording to my mail ID if possible? I can do one better. If you go to twitch.tv/MuleSoft_community, you will be able to see all of the recordings. So just whenever you're available, just go there. You can even follow us so you can get notifications as soon as we're live. Or you can just go there, and there you will see all of the previous recordings. You can just click on the videos tab, and there you will see all of the previous recordings. They are separated by product as well, so you can just go and see whatever you want to see. But yeah, it's always there, always available for you. You can just bookmark it, and it will be there for you to see all of the recordings, including this one. As soon as I am done doing this live, the recording will be there, available immediately, just like that. Automation is great. All right, so my studio is up. MUnit. Okay. So here are my MUnits. I only have 2. And this is a simple application. It's literally just a set payload and a logger that is logging the payload. And then I have here a dummy transformation for the tests, but it's not really doing anything. So you can just go and check that out. But in the test, I'm only testing this flow here. I'm not testing this whole suite or like the flow. Okay, Alex, thank you so much. Munch, thank you so much. Like, I'm gonna like that. We have to make that a thing, like munch, because of the munchies or stuff like that. I'm rambling. It's early. Yes, I'm only testing this. I can run this to verify that that's the only thing that I'm testing. We saw that it had 33.33%. So while that runs, let me Google MuleSoft MUnit coverage. Maven, I guess, with Maven. Let's see this one. Maven configuration for coverage. Okay, let me zoom in case you cannot read. All right, so the following configurations apply only when you execute your MUnit tests using the Maven plugin. They do not apply when running tests from Studio. To run coverage reports in Studio, see using coverage in Studio. Let's see that really quick. Enable coverage reports in Studio. I think I have that. Oh, well, not this. You can click the generate report button. Oh, well, it's as easy as that. And then you can disable them if you want. I'm not gonna disable that. That's all. Okay, that's so easy. So this is done. It ran my 2 tests. They were both successful. And if I check here, you can see that there's a green check mark here, which means that this component was tested, but these were not. So that's why we have the 33.33%, because we only have 3 components. So if we divide 100% between 3, we end up with 33. Is that right? Yeah, right? 333, yeah. So we're missing these two to test to have 100% coverage. Now, I know it's almost, well, it's not impossible, but it's like not a lot of projects do 100% coverage. So we're going to learn how to set it up to 90% instead of 100%, because that's just a lot. So what is this? Close. So we want to run, oh, the MUnit coverage is right here. In Studio, if you go to MUnit coverage, you can click generate report and it opens the thing. So here we can see we have only 33% that is being covered. And if we click on it, I am zooming in because I know that I cannot zoom in with Studio. We have GitHub Actions flow, and we're not covering anything. There are 2 processors, but we're not covering them. And then GitHub Actions tests of flow. We have 1 processor, and we are covering 1 processor. So if we go here in the coverage, we can see that we have 100% on the second subflow, but 0% on the first flow. So that's what we're going to try to fix. But first, I'm going to try to run this in the GitHub Actions CI/CD pipeline, so it fails and it shows me the coverage and everything. So right now it's not checking anything. Let's go to here. So there's a sample Maven configuration here. The following configurations apply only when you execute. Oh, I already read that. Yeah. So there's this one executions test. It's this one. Okay. So do we already have this plugin? I wonder, or do we have to add the whole thing? Oh, there's a new reports folder even. Yeah, in reports, it generates all of these things so you can see the reports. I wonder if this should be in the, wait, in the POM. I don't know if for folks that are already running MUnit coverage in their projects, do you include the reports folder in your repo, or do you ignore it? I think you just ignore it, right? Makes sense. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna ignore it for now. Studio specific reports. Okay. So now I only have git ignore and the readme that I modified earlier. So after that, let's check the POM. And I'm gonna search for the thing. Okay, so we already have a plugin. We already have the execution. We don't have to add it. We are under plugins, right? Oh, we're under build. I guess that's all right. build dependencies, repositories, plugin repositories, and that's it. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, so we have the plugin. Oh, I lost it. Here for MUnit. MUnit Maven plugin, MUnit version, yes, and then execution, ID test, phase test, goal test, goal coverage report. Yes, we have that. And then configuration, run coverage true, fail build false. Oh, run coverage true. Okay, so then we need to add the fail build false right here. So let me add a comment just so I remember what I added. Oops. No. There. Start MUnit coverage. And then here end. Okay. So this is false now. I'm going to change it in a little bit. And then required application coverage, required resource coverage, required flow coverage. Oh, nice. Okay, let's copy all that, put it after this. Okay. Then we have the formats, format console, format HTML. We already have HTML, so we're gonna add console, and I'm gonna add the comment there too, so I remember that I added that. Console there. And then coverage report types. When enabling MUnit coverage, you see a summary report in the console. By default, no other action is taken. Correct. That's what we saw in the GitHub Actions right here. MUnit coverage offers 4 types of reports. Console report. Yeah, that's the one that we want. Summary report, overview of the MUnit run, resources flows, processors. So we didn't have that before. So I don't know what this is then if we didn't have that. Or maybe it's just the default. I don't know. And then the HTML report shows the same information as the console report, but formatted to fit any web browser. It is available in the application path, target site, and MUnit coverage path. There's a random plus here. JSON report shows the same information as the HTML report, but in a JSON format. Why not? Let's add it to... Oh, there's also Sonar report. Shows the same information in a Sonar cube format. Sweet. So let's add all of them, just because I can, to see the different formats. So console, HTML, JSON, and Sonar. JSON. So we already had HTML, we're just adding console, Sonar, and JSON. You can choose to have either none, one, or all the report types added to your configuration. To configure, for example, the JSON generation report, you must add the following configuration to your POM XML, run coverage true, and format JSON. Hello, Raj. Nice to see you here. So I'm only missing to change this. Oh no, the run coverage. Okay. Then set up a minimum coverage level. Handles 3 different levels: application, resource, of flow. Application is the overall coverage of all your application. That's what we wanted, to have like 90% in the whole application. There's also resource, the coverage level of each individual mule configuration file, and flow, the coverage of event processors in each flow. Each value represents a percentage. If a percentage is not defined, it defaults to -1, which indicates that no requirements are defined or set level for set levels, so the build will not fail due to low coverage. If you define coverage levels but set the property fail build to false, and then the levels are not reached, a warning shows up in the MUnit coverage summary. Sweet. You can ignore a file. Not gonna do that. Okay, and that's all. Awesome. So we're pretty much done. I'm gonna leave the fail build as false for now because I just want to test this. I wonder if this makes a difference if I run it from here. Let's see. Run. We should see it in target, it said. Target. Set target. I'm almost sure it said target, but I just want to double check. Here, yeah. Yeah, target, site, MUnit coverage. So can I see the target from here? Yeah, target. There's no site. There is no site. Maybe because it's still running? Let's wait. What other music do we have? I wonder. Rock? Ah, that one's nice. I've used it before. Is it still running or not? Like, I'm just here waiting. Oh, I run the application instead of the MUnit. Okay. I think I like this one more. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that one. Okay, run. And here now it's showing that, oh, I don't know if you can see, this is so small. Over it, yeah, so we have 0%, 100%. If we generate the report, it's just doing the same thing. But let's see if we have something in target. Nice tunes. Thank you, Whitney. I just hope StreamYard had like more variety of music. But oh well, that's fine. I think I can upload my own music too, but it needs to be copyright free. Yeah, I can add my own music. That's all right. So we said target, target site MUnit. There's no site. There's classes and test classes. There's no site here. Maybe in reports. So this is the HTML. Oh, well. Assets. Nope. Okay. I don't think it made any difference then, like running it from Studio. So let's try to run it from the GitHub Actions then. What? You need to send this. So change the git ignore to include the reports, change the POM, and changed, and I added the comments. Yeah, cool. And changed the README. Yeah. So added, and now let's do nice tunes. That's what Whitney said. Okay, nice tunes. Commit and push. Now that commit is gonna appear on the videos. So everyone knows that's what that commit means. Nice tunes. All right. So let's see this running. It's testing with Maven. I don't even remember what account I'm using with this. I think it's a Martinez 16. Oh, the font changed. That's interesting. Runtime manager, sandbox. Yeah, I think this is the one. Where's my bomb? Oh, it's right here. Martinez 16. Yeah, that's the one that I'm using. Okay. Good. I just wanted to see like if this is going to be deployed or not. Okay, starting coverage server. So it hasn't failed yet. That's good. Means it's working, I hope. In the meantime, are there any questions that you would like me to answer while we wait for this thing? Meal runtime, yay. Starting app. Okay, it's running the tests. Oh, it finished. Okay, that was quicker than I thought. So, okay. So we have the coverage, 33.33%. Just a no. You know what? Let me stop the thing because I don't want it to. Or what do I care? That's fine. Test. So test was made. Well, I don't know why this is still running. This is done, right? Maybe I need to refresh. Nope. All right. So test with Maven. Oh no, wait, what? Both are running at the same time? No, it's done. Okay. That just took like forever. Test with Maven. If we go to the bottom, more to the bottom. Hey, Everardo. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Okay, let me make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so this looks great. So previously we only had this. We didn't even have the warning. So now we have the MUnit coverage, the warning saying application coverage is below defined limit. And what did we have again? No, it's not there. Where is it? Here. So we had 75% required resource coverage 50 and required flow coverage 50. So yeah, resource GitHub Actions.xml coverage is below defined limit. Required is 50%. Current is 33.33%. Flow GitHub Actions, same thing. Required 50, and I have 0. Okay, so those are the three, right? Application, resource, and flow. Yeah. You can only set one. Like, I think I'm only gonna set required application coverage because the other two seem like overkill for this case. I just wanted like 90% overall. And then we have the tests, 2, everything passed. And then here, hey Jerry, nice to see you here. My voice trembled a little bit. So we have the MUnit coverage report, and here we can see the resource file. contains 2 tests, weights 100 because it has all the tests, I guess, and coverage is 33.33. I'm gonna add another file with the other tests eventually to see the difference, like how it shows here differently from each file. So we have the first one, 0 covered, total processors are 2, so we have 0% coverage. I hope you can see. And then we have the test of flow, which is the only one that I'm testing. We have one processor covered, so we have 100%. Summary, cover processors 1, total processors 3, containers 2, which I think it means like each test, because I have 2 tests. Where is my studio? Here. I have 2 tests, so I think that's what it means by containers. Resources 1. I don't know what resources is. Probably like the file. We'll see the difference when I create a new file. Generating HTML report, generating JSON report, generating Sonar report. Build success. Sweet. So I have no idea where those reports are because I didn't upload them anywhere. I remember that with Bitbucket, you could see the files, but I don't think you can here. So maybe I have to upload them. That's fine. I'm just gonna leave them like that for now. Maybe I'll maybe we can export them and like upload them to Drive or something just for the fun of it. Yeah, it's not doing anything. It's just cleaning everything. Yeah, I'll try to see if I can extract those files. But anyway, that worked. It's deploying right now, I think. Yeah, but we don't care about that. So now I'm gonna comment out these 2 because I'm only interested in, wait, comment out this one, comment out this one. I'm only interested in the required application coverage. So I'm gonna put here 90%. And then I'm gonna put this to true. So this will fail when I send it because we only have 33% coverage. So here, fail it, made to main, push origin. Okay, so, oh, you're gonna make me scroll all the way up. No, okay. So if I go to actions, now the fail it is gonna start running. This will eventually fail, hopefully, and it will tell me, hey, your coverage sucks, so like fix it. Like do something about it, my dude. Okay, so the application started, and then it's gonna try to do the tests. Okay, there we go. And now it will fail everything, and it will not continue building and deploying. Sweet. So now let's see what it said. Running. Sweet. And then failure. Application coverage is below defined limit. Require 90%, current 33.33%. We have 2 tests. They passed, but we need more coverage. Coverage limits were not reached, and that's it. Okay. It does tell you why it failed, so I'm pretty content with that. Error messages are important, people. They really are. Okay, so we have that. So now let's add more tests. And I'm gonna add a new file so I can see what's the difference there. New MUnit test, new test suite 2, because I have no imagination. And now I'm just gonna, where is it? MUnit test, put here. Then what did I do? Set payload, test the flow. Okay. So this isn't actually doing anything, right? Yeah. Well, it is setting a payload. Okay, I can check that the payload is correct. So it's just a flow ref. Yeah. Favorites. Flow ref. I can feel the caffeine in my veins. Like I'm getting what is the opposite of sleepy? Awake? Awake? I don't know. Anyway, the flow name is GitHub Actions Flow. GitHub Actions Flow. Target value payload. Okay, all good. And then GitHub Actions Flow. Sweet. And then validation, we're gonna put assert equals, because this is a string, right? Yeah, this is a string. So let's do assert equals. MUnit tools, assert equals. I am so sorry if you cannot see the screen. I know it's so small, but like Studio doesn't let me do anything about it. I can zoom in. Assert equals, and then actual payload. And expected, I don't even remember what it said. So I was decrypting some property, but I forgot what the property was saying. So expected, it worked, secure property, and then I think it said something like yay, like that. But I don't remember if that's exactly what it said. Now I feel like I have to test it to make sure. So run project. Let's check it really quick. And I can use a terminal from here. Terminal, curl, localhost 8081 / what was it? Test. Okay. As soon as this finishes running. Okay, deployed. Test. Yeah. Okay, it had way more, like one more A. So now test suite, assert equals. And now this is supposed to be, no, put a string. Like I know if I just do this like that, it will work as a string, but I have trust issues. So I pretty much prefer to see it like this and put the quotes myself. Anyway, this is what it's supposed to say. It worked, secure property, yay. Okay. So now let's save this and let's test it just to make sure that it works. Do you want to stop it? Yes, forgot to stop the application that I was running. Okay. Did you stop? Yeah, okay, sweet. So now this MUnit is gonna run. In the meantime, so yeah, I just created a new MUnit test. I just put the flow ref and then assert equals payload says it worked, secure property A. Okay. Yes. So we'll see. Oh, it didn't work. What? Why didn't you work? What happened? Where can I see error? Why was there an error? What? Exception. Could not encrypt or decrypt the data. Oh, I'm not sending the decryption key. Okay, run configurations. This is the key. So I have to put it. Oh, wait. It is there. What? It should be running. Run. You should be running. Why are you not working? It was too good. Like, this was working so smoothly. Of course, it had to not work. I do not understand. Do I need to do something specific? Do I need to send the thing here? Oh, maybe I do. Shoot. Encrypted properties, MuleSoft, MUnit. MUnit fails with secure property placeholder. Of course, someone else asked about it. That's why we have the forums. You can mock. Matic. Somewhere in MUnit, it expects a property. Well, this is not helpful. I think this is for Mule 3. I don't know if it makes a difference. Okay. Application deployment failed. No, but it's not the deployment, it's the MUnit. No. Testing with environment properties. Let's see if that's it. No. Mule Maven. Oh, I have to send it through the Mule Maven plugin. Okay, that makes sense because I was doing that with the deploy thing here. I'm doing this with the deploy one, sending the properties like this. This is the Cloud Hub deployment thing, plugin, configuration, whatever. So my guess is that I need to put that at the same level. So configuration, cloud deployment, and then that. And here I have configuration coverage, and then that. Should I have to put it in the execution? No. Configuration. Inside coverage? So plugin, configuration, then the name of the configuration, and then properties. So plugin, configuration, the name of the configuration, and then properties. So it should be here. But I wonder if that's gonna run. I mean, we can try. So secure key, I'm gonna put it directly for now, just to know if it works. It's just a dummy thing, so don't try this at home. My MuleSoft key. So you should never do this. Don't do this. Only professionals can do it. No, don't do it. Not even professionals. Only dumb people do it. Okay, so let's see if that works. Wait, I'm gonna refresh. Refresh. Where is the refresh? Refresh, there. Okay, so we change the POM. I don't know if that's gonna work. Also, this is like environment variables, and I put properties. Maybe I should have put environment variables. Well, we'll see. Okay. It didn't work. Okay. All right, fine. Let's change it. Boom. Environment variables, copy. Wait, configuration. You are confusing me. So inside of configuration, it doesn't matter where it is. So it's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be inside configuration here. Let's see if that works. Refresh. Okay. Run. Why is there not a single stream that can just go smoothly? Well, because we're trying things on the first time. That's why. Nope. Well, at least it didn't give me the error now. Okay, could not encrypt or decrypt the data. Same thing. Maybe if I Google that. Could not encrypt or decrypt the data. So this is not the answer. Let's remove that. Oh, wait. MUnit examples. Testing and mocking errors. Let's see if it's here. Expect an error in your test. Error handler testing, mock errors are an event. No, that's not it. Testing with environment properties. That's one that I saw. Nope. MUnit in Studio. Nope. MUnit Maven plugin. Maybe it says something about that. Coverage, dynamic ports, reports. Configuration preference. Let's see. Maybe that helps. Runtime, JVM. Environment variables. Oh, so it does have to be environment variables. Okay. Okay, so it was that. I never put environment variables, right? I just put properties. Yeah. Forgot to do that. Okay. So instead of properties, environment variables. And then this is the mule environment in this case. In this case, it's secure.key. Right? Yeah, okay. So let's try like that. Refresh. Okay, run. Nope. Same thing. Yeah. Could not encrypt or decrypt. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna leave it there just in case I need it. MUnit could not encrypt or decrypt the data. I need this for MUnit specifically. No, I need to go to page 2 of Google. Has no one written about this? Well, that sucks. Like these are just for encrypting in general, but not for MUnits in specific. Okay, let's see this. What are the invalid secure properties, key values? Nope, that's not it. That's not what I need. Yeah, that's in the VM arguments. Oh, okay. Now the MUnits. Well, it's... Oh, okay. That's what I was trying to do. Now, if I remove that from the key, they work. So not really. Add the global elements. Do I need to add the global elements in MUnit? Okay, only while running MUnit, please wrap the secure key in double quote while passing from VM argument. If it does not work for you, try to read the value from property like this. Okay. Can you send a record to my email? I already have this question before. So if you go to twitch.tv/MuleSoft_community, you will be able to see all of the previous recordings, including this one. As soon as I am done with this live stream, the recording will be available there. So you can go, you can follow us, and if you follow us, you will get notifications as soon as we are live. So yeah, that's even better. You can just access all of the previous recordings. All right, so okay, just try the grabbing the secure key in double quotes, see if it fails. Well, I am already doing that. Yes. Can you try as well updating to the latest version of secure properties? More answers. Has already am. Remove the key from the VM argument and set it in environment. No, it didn't work. Okay. So my God. I don't think Steven ever got the answer. Nope. So Steven never got to fix this. Well, this problem is because they have this thing, but I don't have it. So let's see, run configurations, MUnit. So I do have it as argument, but maybe I need to add it as environment. Variables? No. Okay, environment, add, name secure.key, my MuleSoft key. Okay. Again, don't show any of this on the screen. I am just doing it because I'm just doing a demo. apply run. Will parameterization help? I was thinking about it when I was seeing the configuration, but I'm not sure if it will work. I can try after this for sure if this doesn't work. Oh wait, and I also want, okay, so that didn't work. Still the same error. Yes. I also want to put it in quotes just in case that's the thing. So argument secure key. Oh, it is in quotes, so never mind. So let me try then the parameterization. Okay. MUnit parameterize test. Okay. Okay, so where I saw that earlier. Oh, it was here. It was here. It was here. So if I put secure.key, and then what is the value? Oh, encryption. And then add a new parameter. Okay, secure.key, my MuleSoft key. So secure.key, value my MuleSoft key. Okay. Okay. Save. So now we have the property name and the value. Yeah, okay. Oh, I can also do it from file. No, but that's fine. Okay. I don't think that's a way that it should work, but hey, if it works, I'm all for it. I feel like that's not the right way to do it, but if it works, it works. Besides, this is just for studio. It still has to work. Wait, does it have to? That's a great question. So for running this here, the thing should be good enough, right? This thing. So let me add this here, and then end, because this is what I am adding to the POM. Okay, so the parameterization worked for Studio, but I want to see if this works without it. No. Oh wait, I can zoom in. No. Okay. So I don't know what I don't know what I'm doing. Stop. Okay. But I just zoomed in. How did I zoom in? Oh. Oh, well, I didn't know that. Does it also work for this? No. Okay. It was too much to... Oh my god, it works! What? All this time? And it was command equals... Why? Oh, it also works with plus. Since when has this been working? I am so excited. Like, this, I am 100% sure that this was not working before. I am 1000% sure that this was not the way that it worked before, because I have tried it so many times and it has never done that. Wow. I am pleased. Whoa. I didn't know that. I don't know when this happened, but I am glad. I am glad it happened. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Anyway, what I was saying. Oh no, what is this? What did I do? No. Oh my god, what am I doing? Can I zoom out? No, I don't know what this is doing. Ah. Oh, this is minimizing. But now I cannot. Oh no. Oh, there you go. Okay. Well, that is weird. Like, I don't know what is happening. So this is equals. It doesn't work with command plus. It only works with command equals. That is so bizarre. And then it only sums out when I use the dash that is next to the equals. But if I use the dash that is like in the number section, it doesn't work. It just like minimizes the things. That is so bizarre. Okay. Well, anyway, what I was doing was that I wanted to comment this out. Oh my goodness. Okay. I wanted to comment the configuration out to check. Like, I already know that this works in Studio, but I want to see if this works in the GitHub Actions without the parameterization. Okay, I don't have the thing. Oh, wait, but I'm removing the config. No, I don't want to remove the config. I just want to, oh, what? Why are you not there? Save. Ah, there, okay. Sweet. So I want to remove just that to see if it still works from the CI/CD GitHub. Bewildered is the word. Thank you. Okay. Yes, so I have no parameterization. That is such a hard word to say. Also, if you have to leave, you can leave. I am done with the stream. Like, I am past the time of the stream, but I kind of want to finish this. So, okay, I'm so close. Like, I removed the thing, and now let's send it. So I added the environment variables from the configuration. So this should work. Oh, wait, no, I don't want to send this. Hold on. You should never do that. Even if this is a test, like, you should never do that. You never know what happens in the wild. Okay, so where is the thing? The decryption key. Here it is. So if I copy this and put it here, this should work with my GitHub Actions because I have my decryption key in GitHub Actions. Oh, it's not here. Okay, so I have the decryption key. Sweet. And I removed the parameterization and I added the new test. Added test 2. Yes, I will post the GitHub repo in the chat. Commit to main, push origin, actions, and this is the repo. There it is, and also putting it on LinkedIn. GitHub.com, Alexander Martinez, GitHub Actions. No worries. And again, you can see the articles in prosdev.com. You can follow through. I'm gonna go back to it because I can. If you go, I am way zoomed in. Here you can see part one. So to start from the beginning, or you can also like scroll down and go to the last one, which is part three, which is just to put the MUnit testing configuration. You do need Nexus credentials. So if you have them, you can do this. If not, you will have issues. All right. So this is running now. We did run it in studio, right? Yeah, we did. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it's done and it passed without the parameterization. So I have to figure out how to do that in studio because yeah, the parameterization is not the best solution. Like that is for testing different scenarios. That is not for that. That is not supposed for like for you to send the decryption key. So I mean it worked for now, but I am gonna check how to do this without it because there has to be a way. I just don't know where, like I'm missing something maybe in the POM. But anyway, when you send in the configuration the environment variables and put here the secure key with your key from the GitHub Actions secrets, please do not commit your actual decryption key, even if this is a demo. And that worked. So now we have so MUnit coverage report, it doesn't give me an error now. And here we can see that the coverage is 100%. And then the flow has 2 processors and both of them are covered. The other one has 1 and that is covered. So we have 100% and 100%. And then in the summary, covered processors 3, total processors 3, containers 2, resources 1. So I don't know what is containers or resources because I thought resources maybe was like the file and maybe containers was the number of tests, but that's not true. So I don't know what that is. And then application coverage 100, generating Sonar report, build success. It didn't generate the HTML and the other ones, but that's all right. So it already built and it is deploying now. Yeah, so it is deploying now. Encryption key will be taken from secrets, is it not? Yes. So I put here like the decryption key, and this is gonna be passed from GitHub build, GitHub workflows build, which is the pipeline. Then here in test, if I scroll down, I have here key, and I am passing secrets.decryption key. This will be passed as secure.key equals key. Wait, what? No. Well, interesting. Anyway, it will be taken from there somewhere, decryption key, I guess. And then I have it, leave me alone. I have it here in settings. If you scroll down, secrets and variables, actions. Oh, I'm not showing. Sorry about that. Let me do that again. Settings, and then scroll down, secrets and variables, actions. And there you will set up all of your repository secrets. In my case, I have Anypoint Platform password, Anypoint Platform username, the decryption key, Nexus password, and Nexus username. So those are the ones that I have set up, and that is where it's taking the thing from. So my decryption key is my MuleSoft key, which is my secure key, basically. All right, so this worked. We made a success. Now I need to figure out how to do this without the parameterization. That's all. So someone with access to action logs will be able to see our key. Is that what you're saying? It is unsafe. No. Um, I don't think anyone can see your key, not even myself. Like if I go to settings, secrets and variables actions, I cannot even see the ones that I already set up. Like, oh, again, I'm not showing my screen. If I like choose, for example, the decryption key, I can only edit or remove. I cannot see. So if I click on edit or update, it will ask me to add the new value, but it will not actually show my decryption key. So even I won't be able to see it again. So is that secure? What I'm saying is that you should never, here, for example, you should never do my MuleSoft key. This is your decryption key, right? This is a key that it will be used to decrypt your properties. So if you do this and then commit this change, or well, when I am doing it here, like this will appear in your GitHub repo forever and anyone will be able to see it. Even if you remove the commit log, the history of all of the files that you change will always be there in the cloud. So this key will always, forever and ever, be visible to everyone. And also, if someone hacks the repo, even if it's private, they will be able to see your key. So like it's okay if you test it, it's not okay to commit it. Like just don't commit it. That's all I'm saying. So that's what you should not do. I am sending it as a decryption key, like as a like variable or like the secret from GitHub. Got it. Yeah. So that's the difference. Never commit your keys. Never, ever, ever commit your decryption key or like any like password or something. If it's not encrypted, if it's like hard coded in your code, never do that. Never commit it. You can do it locally, just not commit it. Okay, so I think that's it. Yeah, this is done. This was deployed. And I guess my properties are still the same, right? Yeah, secure key is still the same. Sweet. All right, so that worked. Yay, we made it. Thank you so much, everyone who joined to see this experiment. Can you plan one of the streams building chatbots with MuleSoft for Twitch? Just ideas, huh? Building chatbots. I have no idea how to do that. Yeah, that would be nice. Let me write it down so I don't forget. Any ideas are welcome. I'm not sure if I will be able to do them, but they will be there in the backlog in case I have time. Chatbots with Mule. Also, if anyone knows how to do that, you can just schedule a live stream with me so you can show everyone else how to do it, including me, because I don't know. Chatbot with Mule for Twitch. For Twitch. Perfect. Thanks for the best practice. Yeah, I'm sure you already knew that, Whitney. You're very smart. But yeah, for sure. All right, we did it. And we discovered how to zoom in and zoom out from studio, which is awesome. Have a nice day ahead. You too, Jerry. Thank you for coming. And remember, folks, like you have to use the dash that is next to the equal, and then you use the equal to zoom in. That is just crazy. All right, so that's it for this live stream. Thank you all for joining. Remember to follow us on twitch.tv/MuleSoft_community. There you will be able to see all of the previous recordings, including this one. You can follow us to receive notifications as soon as we're live. And you can see our schedule in case you don't know. The schedule comes in your local time, so you will always be able to see when we are coming live. All right, And we stream Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Perfect. So that's all for this live stream. I will see you then on Tuesday, the 28th of March at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next one. Bye.